Okay, we have an update on the Ripple XRP lawsuit against the SEC. Let me ask you this. If you are an XRP community member and you're seeing this video, could you guys smash the like button? And I'm not just saying that to say it. I'm saying that to be genuine here because I just want to make sure this is getting out. My last few XRP videos are not circulating on YouTube, so I'm hoping this message reaches you. Let me know if they do. Please smash the like button. Help spread this word because it's really weird to me that these messages aren't getting out. I'm just not getting the view count. I know that's not everything, but I'm just looking at it. I want to make sure that this is actually reaching you. So let me know, comment, smash the like button, any way you know how. But a top lawyer has predicted a new end date for the SEC Ripple lawsuit. Of course, it's all speculation right now. We're seeing how this is going to play out. We want this to end well in terms of, the crypto side of it. Obviously, we want just clarity. We want to know what's going on, right? Now, XRP community members have been speculating about when Judge Torres will issue a summary judgment decision in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, and we're still speculating, right? It's now more than 6 months, though, since the parties made their final summary judgment submissions. That was back in December of 2022. The lawsuit's presiding judge has still not issued the much anticipated summary judgment, so we're still in this weird holding pattern. Now, a new attorney, Fred Rispoli, has speculated a potential end date for the lawsuit. Again, speculation here. Everybody's got an opinion, right? But it is news because we all know that this is a big deal. Depending on if you're invested or not, doesn't matter. This is a massive, massive piece of news that is surrounding crypto right now, and we need to pay attention to it. In a tweet yesterday, attorney Rispoli noted that Judge Torres's motion for summary judgment grant rate for defendants stands at 37%. In contrast, Rispoli noted that the judge's MSJ grant rate for plaintiffs is 24%. So according to the pro-XRP lawyer, the median duration of Torres's decision is 249 days. It bears mentioning that the parties filed their respective motions for summary judgment back on September 17, 2022. So attorney Rispoli noted that 60% of Torres's summary judgment decision comes within the range of 146 to 330 days. Consequently, 249 days from September 17, 2022 is, May 21st, 2023. We have yet to get a decision. However, attorney Rispoli ruled out this date since obviously it's already passed and we're already in July. So in addition to that, Rispoli speculated that a potential ruling date for SEC versus Ripple could be on August 10th. Why? Well, he arrived at this date by calculating 330 days, the highest period Judge Torres has waited to issue a summary judgment decision. From September 17, 2022. Reacting to this prediction, attorney Rispoli said he might get the best birthday present of his life on August 10th. Notably, this can happen if the judge rules in favor of Ripple on August 10th. Similarly, he stressed that the 10th of August could also be the day he would receive the worst birthday present ever. You guys know where I stand. I don't know exactly what's going to play out here, obviously. I'm just a talking head on YouTube, but I think it's going to be less dramatic than people think. I think there's going to be not a clear winner, not a clear loser, but a decision nonetheless. We'll see. But this particular attorney Rispoli, thinks August 10th. So it'll be a date we'll be keeping our eye on as we get closer. Appreciate you guys as always. And again, let me know down below that you're seeing this. Help spread this message. I want to make sure this is getting out there to the XRP army. My last few just are not surfacing on YouTube, and I don't know why. Some people have been saying that they may not be. I just want to make sure it's getting out. Let me know. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.